Clarendon family is mourning the death of their 2-year-old loved one who died in a bizarre car crash at their home on the weekend. The ill-fated vehicle was being driven by her grandmother. Aliyah Bryant reports.
Dressed pretty in pink and at play. This is one of the most recent pictures of little Kimberly Burrell. She was a ton of fun and the joy of her loved ones. But her life was tragically cut short Saturday evening during a freak motor vehicle crash at her home in Rulespen in Clarendon. Reports say her grandmother was attempting to park a vehicle at their house when the unthinkable happened.
I was going to the shop and he said to me, son, move the car, go up the side. He said, come on, drive the car, reverse the car. I said, I can't reverse it. He said, come on, reverse the car. He said, sit down in there with me. He said, no. He said, no, I'm not have to stand with that. Teach my teacher, just sit down and just reverse it back. We should be reverse the car, go a little. And when I reverse the car a little, he said to me, say, do something back again and reverse it. I don't know what to do. Kept finding something there. But all I know, say.
The child, who was thought to be inside the house sleeping at the time, had in fact awoken and made her way outside and got trapped underneath the car and the zinc fence during the failed parking maneuver. She was taken to hospital but died while undergoing treatment.
The baby is a nice little girl. Me can't go nowhere and in no ball. If me come out at door of on the line, the baby cry. Me have to put him with me. I mean, on her foot. I have to carry my handbag. I love that little girl so much. I love that little girl so much. I miss my granddaughter and now I can't sleep.
The Maypen police are investigating. Aliyah Bryant, TVJ News.